Let me tell you a story. A simple one, but powerful. There was a young man named Rahil. He had big dreams. He wanted to build something great. Not for fame, but to give his parents a better life. He didn't have much. No rich family, no fancy degree, just a small room, an old laptop, and a heart full of hope. Every day, he worked. In the morning, he worked at a shop. At night, he studied online. Design, business, coding, anything he could learn. Days turned into months, months into years, but nothing happened. His friends moved on, got jobs, cars, a better life. But Rahil, still struggling, still invisible. One night, he almost gave up. He called his grandfather and said, "I've tried everything. Maybe success just isn't for me." His grandfather paused and said, "Do you know how the Chinese bamboo tree grows?" "Nay," Rahil said. "No," grandfather replied. "When you plant it, nothing happens for 5 years. You water it every day, still nothing. But in the 5th year, it grows 80 feet in just a few weeks." Why? Because all those years, it was growing underground roots. It was preparing, building strength, getting ready for something big. Then he said something Rahil never forgot. "You're not failing, you're growing roots. Just be patient." Rahil kept going, day by day, step by step. And in year 5, his idea worked. His small projects grew into a big business. He helped his parents. He helped others. He became everything he once dreamed of. If you enjoy this video, do well to subscribe to our channels and hit the notifications bell for more content like this.